Looking for the best 1xBet bonus offers? Here are the top ones you should know about and how to claim them. Before we continue, make sure to create a professional 1xBet account by clicking on Register. You can choose any registration method that suits you, for example, the email registration option. Simply fill in your personal details, and in the promo code section, enter BUTV. Using this code will give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. For instance, if you deposit $1,000, you'll receive a total of $4,000 in your 1xBet account. Now, let's get back to the video. First, the welcome bonus. When you sign up and make your first deposit, 1xBet usually gives you a 100% bonus up to a set amount. To claim it, just register, choose the bonus during sign-up, and deposit the minimum required. Second, the accumulator of the day bonus. Pick one of 1xBet's selected accumulators, and if it wins, your odds get boosted automatically. No extra steps needed. Third, the cashback bonus. 1xBet often runs weekly cashback offers where you can get a percentage of your losses back, credited directly to your account. Fourth, the birthday bonus. If your account is verified, 1xBet surprises you with free bets or special rewards on your birthday. To make sure you actually receive and use these bonuses, always check the promo section in the app or website, read the wagering requirements, and activate them before betting. That's it. Now you know the best 1xBet bonuses and how to claim them fast.